Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's cooking in Zahara's kitchen today? Kusoo dhawaada YouTube channel keegi maanta jikadeeda waxaa laga karinayaa saffron cake. waa Doolshe Sacfaran. weligina ma maqasheen Doolshe Sacfaran? Well, maanta intimaada. So 3 koob bur caadi ah iyo 2 koob baking powder. So 3 cups of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder for our cake base. So we're going to mix that slowly and gradually and incorporate everything together. intaas markaa soo qastiin geeska la dhigaa, and then weelka la soo qaado waxaan ku shubaynaa 1 cup oo buuro ah, so 1 cup of butter and 1.5 cup of sugar, so 1 cup iyo bar oo sokor ah. You can use any sugar you want except brown sugar. Do not use brown sugar. sokor kasta isticmaali kartaa, brown sugar ka ahaan. kadib sokor tartiib u qas. intaas waxaa rabnaa sokorta inay ku dhalaasho iyo subaga isku dhalaalaan. We need the butter and the sugar to melt together, so that's why we gradually and slowly added that together. When you do that, you get a fluffy texture instead of just incorporating everything together. And then we're using 3 large eggs, so 3 ukun oo waweyn. hal ayaan ugu daraynaa intaas, so doorshada udusin, so that the cake does not what do you call it, less I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm really tired. Anyway, let's just mix all of that together, and then as you can see, the cake is becoming fluffy and changing color. When you get that white type of texture for the cake, that means that you're doing well. And yeah, there's more air in the cake. Why do I sound like I don't know what I'm saying? Anyway, sidaad u jeediin doorshe waa soo qasmatay. inta waxaa ugu jiro dahab. I'm just kidding, that was so dead. But this stuff is gold. This is saffron. I found this in my local supermarket. You can find it in any supermarket. alaabtan waa Sacfaran. color uu leeyahay. alaabtan waxaa lagu gadaa supermarket kasta. karaadi supermarketihiina, laakiin waa qaali kastaas yar. fariisuula ku daray 1 koob caano. So I've added a pinch of saffron and milk together. As you can see, we have here 1 tablespoon of cardamom, so 1 cup or 1 qaando oo heel ah ayaa inta noogu jiro. kadib waxaa ku daraynaa burkii aad u diyaarsanay. So we're going to gradually add in the mixture that we had ready earlier. We're just going to add that bit by bit, and then slowly we're gonna add the milk that we made ready. So caanihi aan diyaarsana hadda ku shubaynaa. And then we mix everything together, so everything is just getting infused. And then we're just gonna add the last bit of the flour. So qaybtii ugu dambeysay ayaan ku daraynaa. intaas waa la soo qasaa. And then as you can see, your butter is thickening up. If you feel like it's too thick, make sure you add more milk. That's fine. haddaad dareentid inay doorshadii adkaatay, caano ku sii dari kartaa, laakiin do not add water. I don't think water does good to the cake, to be honest. Just add milk. Yeah, so you just mix that up. You can see how fluffy and smooth that is. Make sure there's no lumps in your cake mixture. And then, oh, this is my favorite pan, guys. I've had this for 7 years and still counting. alaabtan weelkan aadan u jeclahay. waxaa soo qasay hadda inta kasiro saliid ah iyo bur caadi ah. burka caadiga saliida aad ugu fiican, butter ha isticmaalin. I don't like using butter for my grease proof because I feel like the cakes do stick even though I put on a yeah. So with that, now that that's ready, I'm gonna add in some sesame seeds. I'm just gonna sprinkle that all over. So if you're allergic to sesame, do not use sesame seeds. I mean, you should know that, but yeah, just as a disclaimer out there. So sisinta ku bilbilay, kadib hada doorshadii aan qasay ayaan ku shubaynaa. I'm just gradually adding in all the flour. Did I just say flour? All the cake mixture in there. Don't be like me, do not make a lot of butter, guys. I made a lot. If you feel like your pan does not fit all of this in, just make sure you have the mixture and bake it in another pan. هذا درينتو إن دورشة ويل كده كويسة. كدر ملك كدوب ويل كدوب ألافو ويكا. I mean, oh my god, I'm speaking 3 languages now. So if you have a lot of mixture, put it in another pan. I think I've said that so many times. Oh, this is what I mean, guys. I've had everything melt into the oven, which was a waste, but let's just hope that my cake is not raw inside, because وجدين دورشديدي وحدن آذي أفورتي دورشي قارحو داتين أوفنكا ولكن عيرين ناس إيهاني لاك برينا. Oh, see, this is what I mean. When you grease proof with oil, this is what you get. Such a beautiful golden color. Yeah, and those are the rose buds that I'm going to use to decorate with later. They're edible as well. So inta waxaa ugu jiro koob oo caano caadi ah, caano qandac iyo saffrankii wax yar kale ku qasay. Kan waxaa u isticmaalaynaa sooskeena. So that cup had a cup of milk, warm milk, and the saffron. Caanahan condensed milk ayaa la dhahaa. Oh, I've just added that bit. Iyo caanaha caadiga ku qasaynaa. And then you just slowly incorporate that just to make a sauce out of it. Do not add sugar. Sokor na ku darin. Caanaha gasa asab sokor wato. Marka iska ilaaliya. And then intaas markii la isku qaso. So slowly weel ayaan ku gidinayaa. Weelkaan isticmaali lahay. So when you've incorporated everything together, we're going to put it in a mini jug. I just call it the mini jug, to be honest, but it's like a sauce jug. Just listen to this sound. Pure satisfaction, no? It was like a crunchy sound. Anyway, it's just me being tired, to be honest. And then, as we have here, the cake is all ready, looking very fluffy. Oh, look at that drizzle, guys. So I'm just putting in that sauce that I made earlier. It just makes the cake more moisture. If you're lactose intolerant, do not use that sauce. Well, I am. Oh my god, I can't believe I just took a bite of that cake in front of YouTube. I have no manners, seriously. But guys, this is so irresistible. Make sure you have a try. This cake was so decadent and so moist and just so fluffy. Make sure you try it. I'm sure your family would love it. I'm sure you'd love it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video and to my YouTube channel. I hope to bring more recipes soon, and make sure you share and show me what you recreate.